I'm Michelle from Legal Suite, and in this webinar, we are going to be looking at the address book, the matters involved in screen. Right, so let's go to the address book by clicking on the little icon, and we are going to be looking at the functionality of the screen here. Now, this is a really good screen to use, and this functionality is great to use, and the example I'm going to give you is a defendant in a collections matter phones. He has no file reference, and the only information he can give you is that of his own name, and so on and so forth. So, using the search feature, I'm going to search by the defendant's name, and please do have a look on at our webinar on using the search feature. I say search, and I locate my defendant. So I say go to, and once the party is highlighted, I say matters involved in, and the program will then display what matter this party is involved in, the instruction date, what role he plays, the file reference, the matter description, whether it's live or archived, and who the matter belongs to. If I click on this button here, this will jump to the matter in the desktop, and there you can see he is the defendant in that particular matter. We can also use this feature in the sort of statistical analysis space. For example, ABC Builders, who's highlighted in my address book. I know that I've done various amounts of work for him over the course of time. If I go to matters involved in, it will list all the matters in which this party has played a role. So as you can see, he's been a client and a plaintiff in various collections matters. I've represented him as a defendant. We've also worked for him in the conveyancing space as a developer and as a seller in various development schemes. And again, you can print out a report on this. Please do have a look at how to print reports in the address book.